Why do so many older women wake up at 3 a.m.? Here are the 6 surprising reasons. Have you ever wondered why you often wake up around 3 a.m. and struggle to fall back asleep? At first, it might seem like a mystery. But the truth is, there are real reasons behind it, and they're closely connected to the natural changes that come with aging. For some women, this is just a minor inconvenience. But for many, it becomes a nightly struggle that drains energy, affects mood, and impacts overall health. This isn't only about losing sleep, it's about what your body is trying to tell you. In this video, we'll uncover 6 major reasons why so many older women wake at 3 a.m., even after going to bed feeling tired and ready for rest. From hormonal shifts to lifestyle habits, each reason reveals an important piece of the puzzle. These awakenings aren't random, they're patterns with meaning. And by understanding them, you can take steps to restore your sleep and your peace of mind. Stick around until the end, because these insights could change not just your nights, but also your days, giving you more energy, clarity, and comfort. Let's dive in. Reason number 1: hormonal changes after menopause. One of the biggest reasons older women wake up at 3 a.m. is the hormonal changes that follow menopause. Estrogen and progesterone, 2 hormones that once supported deep, restful sleep, are no longer present in the same way. Without them, your natural sleep rhythm gets disrupted, making it harder to stay asleep. Take Susan, 72, who goes to bed on time every night. Yet, like clockwork, she's wide awake at 3 a.m. It's not stress or pain, her body is simply adjusting to a new hormonal balance. Hormones act as timekeepers for your body. When their levels drop, your circadian rhythm struggles to stay steady, making you more sensitive to even minor disturbances, like a sound outside or discomfort in bed. The good news? While you can't turn back time, you can work with your body. Adjusting your bedtime habits, creating a calming sleep environment, and exploring gentle therapies can make a big difference. If your sleep changed dramatically after menopause, you're not imagining it, it's a common, natural shift. Reason number 2: lower melatonin levels with age. Another reason for waking up at 3 a.m. is declining melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that signals your body to stay asleep. As you age, your body produces less of it, which means your sleep becomes lighter and easier to break. Take Mary, 78, who enjoys reading before bed and sleeps at the same time every night. Yet she still finds herself awake at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling. Why? Because her body no longer produces enough melatonin to keep her in deep sleep. This isn't your fault, it's a natural part of aging. But you can support your body by limiting bright light at night, maintaining a consistent sleep routine, and talking to your doctor about safe supplements if needed. If this resonates with you, comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and turn on the bell so you don't miss helpful videos like this. Reason number 3: anxiety, stress, and racing thoughts. For many women, the problem isn't physical, it's mental. During the day, distractions keep worries at bay. But at night, when everything is quiet, your mind begins to race about health, family, finances, or simply the future. Stress triggers cortisol, the alert hormone, which can wake you up in the middle of the night. And because aging makes sleep more fragile, even a small stress response can break your rest. If this sounds like you, try calming techniques before bed, such as deep breathing, journaling your worries, or listening to soothing music. These small habits can help quiet your mind and protect your sleep. Reason number 4: health issues that disrupt sleep. Sometimes, the reason is physical discomfort from health conditions like arthritis, heartburn, restless legs, or sleep apnea. These issues may seem manageable during the day, but at night they can pull you out of your deepest sleep, often around the same time every night. For example, Barbara, 79, struggles with arthritis. She falls asleep easily but wakes at 3 a.m. because of joint pain. Others wake because of acid reflux or breathing interruptions from sleep apnea. The solution? Address the root cause. managing pain, elevating your head to reduce heartburn, or seeking treatment for sleep apnea can make a huge difference. If you found this helpful so far, comment number 4 below. Reason number 5, nighttime bathroom trips. One of the most common reasons older women wake up at 3 a.m. is the aging bladder. Over time, the bladder loses its ability to hold urine for long hours, and the muscles that control it weaken. Gloria, 75, keeps water by her bed and sips before sleep. That, combined with natural changes in bladder function, wakes her up at 3 a.m. every night. Simple changes can help, like reducing fluids in the evening, avoiding caffeine and alcohol, and doing pelvic floor exercises. These steps can reduce interruptions and give you longer, deeper sleep. Reason number 6, habits that disrupt deep sleep. Finally, lifestyle habits play a major role. Late-night coffee or tea, heavy meals, alcohol, or too much screen time can all disturb your body's natural sleep cycle. Even small habits can have big effects, pushing you awake at 3 a.m. Janet, 70, loves watching TV with a cup of tea before bed. She feels relaxed, but the caffeine, heavy snacks, and bright screens all conspire against her sleep. The fix? Set a consistent bedtime, avoid caffeine and alcohol at night, choose light evening meals, and dim lights before bed. These simple changes can help your body return to its natural rhythm. If this reason makes sense to you, comment number 6 below. So, why do so many older women wake at 3 a.m.? The 6 main reasons are: hormonal changes after menopause, lower melatonin levels, anxiety and racing thoughts, health conditions, bathroom trips, lifestyle habits. Which of these stood out to you the most? And which one will you work on tonight? Remember, this isn't just about sleep. It's about protecting your energy, mood, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.